What's up everyone, and welcome to the channel where I show you the best. Today we're going to be doing a review of the Goodyear Wrangler DURATRACS on my 2005 4RUNNER. These tires come in 285 70 17s. They are 33-inch tire, and what better time to do a review of some off-road tires than during one of the biggest blizzard New England has had in the past 7 years, the blizzard of 2022. So I'm about to be home, and I hope you guys enjoyed cruising around in this blizzard with me. These tires did absolutely phenomenal, which I'm sure you all will see in the footage. I was going through some snow drifts of like 4 or 5 feet and absolutely had no problem going through it. I stopped in a lot of them trying to get stuck and just couldn't do it. These tires handled phenomenally in the snow. They also very well behaved on dry pavement, very quiet. I had the alignment done right after I did the suspension and the tire, and you know, straight as an arrow, no shake. Really nice tire. Anybody thinking about putting these tires on their truck, do not hesitate, because I surely will not hesitate to put these on any other vehicle that I own. So hope you guys enjoyed the footage. Stay tuned for some more where I always show you the best.